at IoT. Have you ever heard someone talk about IoT or seen it in a presentation and thought to yourself, what is IoT? Well, you're not the only one. In a world where we are bombarded with information and connected more than ever, let's dive in and explore IoT. Well, IoT stands for the Internet of Things. That's where the I, O, and T come from. IoT is any device connected to the internet, like your smartphone or your computer. Anytime you hear the word smart, it means it's connected to the internet. It's part of a bigger picture called the Internet of Things. Now, in 2019, there were over 26 billion devices connected to the internet. There are only 8 billion humans on the planet, so there are 3 times as many machines connected to the internet than there are people. And that number is expected to grow to over 75 billion by the year 2025. A lot of industries use IoT, and you as a consumer are using it daily. You use it not only when you jump online, but you're also using it when you use your phone to, let's say, adjust your thermostat or use your phone to turn on your lights. Now let's take a look at 2 of the hottest use case areas and their investment in IoT. One of the hottest use cases is the smart home sector. It currently has over $44 billion invested in the technology. That sounds like a lot, right? Well, it's only a fraction compared to the largest use case area, and that use case area is manufacturing. Manufacturing currently has over $100 billion invested in the technology, and that's growing every day. So the next time you turn on your phone, adjust your thermostat, or get on the internet at work, remember, you are part of a much larger connected world called the Internet of Things. For more information about emerging technologies, check out bradwaid.com, and for instant access to my free resources page, go to bradwaid.com/free. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Brad Waid, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and stay connected.